Hello friends, welcome to Diwakar Maths. In this video, we'll discuss about the equation of a line with given condition. So this will be a very important question for you. So let us solve together. So you also start with your page and pencil. Okay. So we'll solve together, then you will understand. Okay. The question is find the equation of a line passing through the intersecting lines 4x plus 3y equals to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9 equals to 0 and perpendicular to this given line. So the meaning is, so these two are intersecting lines, so maybe like this. Okay, so 4x plus 3y equals to 1 and 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Then the required line is passing through this and perpendicular to this line. That means suppose this line is here, wherever it is, then the perpendicular to this line. That means the required line should be perpendicular to this 90 degree and should pass through the intersecting point. So you have to find the equation of this line. So this is the pattern. Now here these two lines are intersecting, so we can find this point through which this required line is passing. So that is what you have to do first. So what is the intersecting point? A point of intersection. So that we will find by solving these two simultaneous linear equation. This is the trick. So we'll write these equations together. 4x plus 3y equals to 1, 3x minus y equals to minus 9. So I'll take this plus 9 that side, then it will be minus 9. Now you have various methods of solving. So here we can equate the coefficient of y. Here 3, here minus 1. So we can multiply this with 3. Then here also minus 3 will come. Then they can be cancelled or eliminated. Okay. So then we'll write this equation with the same coefficient of y. That means it should be multiplied with 3 because here 1 is there. 1 into 3 is 3. So that's why. So then this 3 will be multiplied to all the terms. Then 9x minus 3y minus 27. Now you see this is plus 3y, this is minus 3y. So this will be cancelled without changing the sign. Then this will be 13x equals to minus 26. Then we will get the value of x minus 26 over 13, that is minus 2. That means the x coordinate of this point is minus 2. Then let us find the y coordinate. For that we can put the value of x in any of the equations. So let me put in the first equation. So 4x plus 3y 1. So you can take this one equation 2. Then from equation 1, so we'll put the value of, substitute the value of x here. So 4 into minus 2 plus 3y equals to 1. Then minus 8 plus 3y equals to 1. So 3y equals to 1 plus 8. This minus 8 will go that side. Then y equals to 9. 3y equals to 9. Y equals to 9 over 3. That is 3. Then the point required here is minus 2, 3. Now we have got the point through which this required line will pass. Now this line is perpendicular to this. Now whenever you get parallel, perpendicular, then you use the slope concept, that when two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. When two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes will be -1. So here perpendicular is given. So if the slope of this is m1 and slope of the required line is m2, then m1 into m2 will be -1 because these two are perpendicular. It is given in the question. Now this line, for this line we don't know the equation, but for this line we are given with the equation. So from here we can find the slope. That means we can find the slope of the line 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So after this we will do now how to find the slope from the equation. So I am telling you very easy idea. So always separate y. Okay, separate y and take all the other terms on the other side. Then minus 2y equals to minus 3x plus 5. Minus 5. This will also go that side. So minus 2y is equal to minus 3x minus 5. Then y will be equal to minus 3x by minus 2 minus 5 by minus 2. That means this minus 2 will be divided with, because you need to separate y. So remember, whenever equation is given, equation of line is given, how to find the slope? So by separating y, by isolating y. Then what we are getting? 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 3 by 2 x. Then whatever is the coefficient of x, that will be the slope. So therefore m1 equals to 3 by 2. So this is the slope of the given line. Then m1, m2 equals to -1 because they are parallel, perpendicular. So m1 is 3 by 2, m2 -1, then m2 will be equals to -2 by 3. So now we have the values for the equation. So we have that this line having slope m is equal to -2 by 3 and passing through this point. You see, this one, -2, 3, and we have got the slope of this. So now we have sufficient information to get the equation. So what is the point through which it is passing? -2 and 3. Now we will use point slope form. So from point slope form, what is the formula? Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So x1 and y1, these are the points. This is the point or the coordinates of the points through which this line is passing. So that means this is x1, this is y1. Remember, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point through which the line passes. So we have x1, y1 and we have m. So we'll put the values now. So what is y1? 3. M minus 2 by 3. Then x, so y and x will remain there because you are writing the equation, and x1 minus 2. So minus minus plus. Then you cross multiply. 3y minus 9, minus 2x minus 4. Then rearrange 2x plus 3y equals to minus 4 plus 9. So 2x plus 3y equals to 5, or you can write minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the answer.